Good morning, folks. In this video today, I wanted to show you how you can go ahead and set up an app script to automatically send a dashboard sheet to your boss or to the manager every morning. So let's say we have this dashboard. In a different lesson, I've gone over how this dashboard is being built with queries. Our data sheet is over here on sheet 1, and let's assume that this data is automatically growing. It's our sales rep region and sales amount. And let's just say that we have this automated and this data changes every day or every week. And we want to then be able to summarize this data and be able to send this summary sheet as a PDF file every morning to our boss. So let's take a look at how we do that with an app script. One way to do it is with app script. And in this app script, I already have it written, so let's go over it quickly. We have a function that we've called email dashboard sheet as PDF. First const is the sheet name is dashboard. Second const is SS, that's the spreadsheet get active sheet, spreadsheet. And then the sheet is to get the sheet by name. So we just have a quick here, if for some reason dashboard doesn't exist, we want to end the script. And let's see what happens if we then move on and the sheet actually runs. One of the things we need to do, and I'll show you why we need to do this, is we need to hide all the sheets except for the sheet that you want to convert to PDF. And the reason is, if I were to come here to the sheet and send it this way via email, where you can email this file and you can send a copy to a person and it converts it into a PDF. Well, that's a nice way to do this, but what you end up getting, and here, let me come back and show you over here, I've already done this, you get a file that includes the dashboard, but it also includes all of the other data that's on the other sheet. Now, that might be what you want, but if you're just trying to just get the information on the dashboard, then that's not really what you want. So in that case, we're going to use our app script. That's the reason this part of the app script is in here. We're going to hide all the other sheets. And then we're going to get the entire spreadsheet, and the way it works in AppScript, we can't just identify a particular sheet. So we hide sheets, we get the whole sheet as a blob, as the spreadsheet get as a blob, as a PDF. And then we're going to define the email address, a subject, and a body, pretty simple. And then we use the email function here to send the email, mail app, send email to the recipient, subject, body, and attachment is the PDF blob. And then finally, we unhide all the other sheets. So if we run this sheet right now, it runs rather quickly, and then I should be able to come back over here to my email. Let's check my email, and sure enough, I just mailed myself this dashboard sheet, and there you can see I have a nice version of the dashboard in my inbox. And the way I set that up for that showing up on a daily basis is I come here to the triggers. I've already set this up as well, but let's open it up and edit it and see what it looks like. So we're going to run the function email dashboard sheet as PDF. It's a day timer. Time-driven, so the choices here, generally this is from spreadsheet, I've changed that. I've changed this to a day timer, and I've chosen to run it between 6 and 7 a.m. so that it ends up in the inbox of the person I want to email it to, or multiple people. You could, in that script here, you could type in multiple email addresses separated by commas, and then this would be emailed automatically. So the nice thing about this, let's go ahead and run this. We already did, I think, yeah. all right, so we run it, we'll get it again, we'll get another version, just double check that. I believe we'd already run it. There it is, a new copy of it. And this could say anything else that you wanted it to say. It could have a different subject, of course, different body. And then you get this nice version of the PDF automatically emailed on a daily basis.